As far as I can tell, there are not many USB-C hub products on the market right now. For users of the new MacBook line, Apple has their own $79 adapter that comes with a single USB port, an HDMI port and a power input socket. Meanwhile, other manufacturers have come up with their own solutions and this is one of them. So far, I am pretty impressed. I have been using the new MacBook for several months now and I never found myself wishing for an adapter. When I got the opportunity to review HooToo's product before its release, I was curious to give it a try. Honestly, I had never heard of the brand and was not expecting too much from them. But when my review units arrived, I was blown away by the quality of everything. From their packaging to the build quality of the product. This hub is really beautifully designed. The packaging itself was minimal, elegant, and looked like something that was meant for an expensive watch. Out of the box, the USB-C plug even had a protective plastic cap on it. The quality of these products is pretty remarkable. The top is made out of matte plastic that closely resembles the metal casing of MacBooks. My review unit was silver, and it looked a lot like the metal body of my old silver MacBook Pro. The underside of the adapter is made out of some fancy, soft-touch, ever so slightly rubberized plastic that feels great to the touch. The HooToo logo on top lit up when I plugged it in, to my pleasant surprise. Still, I would have preferred more subdued branding. The hub works exactly as you'd expect. I have been using it for a couple of weeks and I've had no problems with it. The 3 USB ports are lined up on one side, not unlike what you would expect to see on the side of a laptop. The SD card reader sits next to these. The HDMI port and the power input port don't clutter the space. They sit on their own sides of the device, at right angles to each other. This variant of the hub is probably geared toward MacBook users because it allows for charging of the device while simultaneously using the other ports. If you own another computer and are just looking to use the USB-C port to expand functionality, you may be better off getting one of the other variants that come without the power socket. Over the couple of weeks that I have been test driving this product, I have been happy with it. I find myself using my mechanical keyboard with my MacBook pretty often and I've had no problems. The only qualm I have is the not too subtle HooToo branding on top of the hub. Read